Welcome, today in front of me Oppo A96, and I'll show you that the device comes with the earbuds inside the box. So here, as can you see, we have the charger brick and the USB-C cable, and okay, inside of this paper box we have only the SIM jack 2 paperwork and the protective case, and unfortunately we have not here any earbuds. So if you wanna use them on your Oppo device, you should buy the earbuds separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.